This die saves me so much time. Hi guys, welcome to day one for sneak peeks for our July products. We have a fun, fresh, and sweet summer box. Beautiful products. So I'm going to share today's sneak peek. Teresa will be on the channel tomorrow sharing day 2. I'll share day 3. And then on July 1st, we'll do release day at 9 a.m. Central Time. The box is completely sold out. So the only way to get our boxes is if you subscribe, and right now we're maxed out. So you are able to get the beautiful paper and the ephemera individually on the website. So that will be available on the 1st. So you can grab that if you're not a subscriber. So today I'm sharing the Sweeter Than Sugar paper pad. It is just so yummy. I love this paper pad. The stamp set I'm sharing is called Sip, Smile, Repeat. This is really cute. When life gives you lemons, make pink lemonade and share it with a friend. We've got Hello Summer, pouring out some sunshine and sending it your way. Sip, Smile, Repeat. And then Hello Summer. And we've got some little bubbles to add to your little mason jar full of lemonade. We've got a lemonade pitcher, a lemon cupcake, a bowl of lemons, some single lemons, and super cute, fun, and fresh. So I'm gonna go through the paper pad. We're gonna make this card today, so stick around. I'm gonna show you the pre-orders that we have going on. So we have the new Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on. We have the Easy Wonder Die #2 and its add-on, all on pre-order right now. So if you lock in your pre-order price, you get it at a special price. Pre-orders will last for 3 weeks. I will be placing my order, so I expect the dies to arrive sometime in August. It usually takes 3 weeks from when I place the order. So I love how this turned out. For this card, I used the Easy Wonder Die #2 and its add-on. How fun is that? So if you missed any of the previous videos, I have some more videos showing different cards using the new dies. I hope you're excited, just as excited as I am. Okay, so I'm going to put the stamp to the side. We're going to take a look at the paper and its coordinating ephemera. We've got some really cute lemony fresh images. We've got some little rectangles and squares in these really cute scenes. We got easy peasy lemon squeezy. Really fun and cute. You can use these as is, or you can cut the frame off and so you don't have a white border. We've got really cute images in here. I used her on the card. We've got some lemonade, pink lemonade. Here's another cute little image. And we've got some lemonade with lemonade cupcakes. So cute. So we've got them in the pink lemonade and the regular color. We've got these waffles. Aren't they cute? So fun and cute. Okay, so I'm going to lay this all out, take a still shot for you. Let's take a look at the Sweeter Than Sugar. Our new designs going forward will be in this plastic bag. You won't have the glue at the top, so you won't have to rip them out. And you could store them back into the bag along with your scraps. So this is a really cute paper pad. Love those images. There's another image on the back. The word says lemon in a cursive font all the way across. You get 4 of each design. Here's a really cute green gingham with splatters. Really cute. On the back, we've got a really cute design. Love that watercolor look. So cute. Here's a nice grid design with a little gingham in the background and a little bit splash of watercolor look. Cute, fresh lemons. I love this one. I think that print is my favorite. Here's a really cute plaid and this lemon print. I love that one. Tone on tone. And then this one. This is another favorite. Really, really stinking cute. This die really makes my life easier. I can get all of these cuts done in one pass. So I'm gonna add a little tape so this doesn't move around. The die is designed a little bit smaller than a 6x6 inch sheet of paper. That way we can fit it in the die machine and also so the edge is cut on your paper. So I have the Sizzix electronic machine. I'm using the shim that came with this machine. It's a very thin piece of plastic. I'm adding my acrylic cutting plate. You're going to want to use acrylic or these kind of hard cutting plates, not your Magic Mat. These dies need a lot of pressure. The Magic Mat is too soft, I found. So I'm going to run that through. So we've got all these beautiful cuts. We've got our little panel here that has the word thanks. You can pop these out and then put them in with a different colored cardstock for an inlaid look, or you can use the words on its own. And then we've got the Easy Wonder Die number 2 add-on that's going to give you more panels where you can layer these images. For your Easy Wonder Die number 2 add-on, we have some dies here that are going to complement these dies that are highlighted here in yellow. So we have a shadow for your word thanks, and we have this larger piece here that is going to be able to layer up this piece here. So I'm gonna cut a larger oval and layer up my oval. So I want to think about what pattern do I want to have as the frame for this piece here. I'm thinking the yellow is going to look really nice as the frame. So let's take out our helper here. So you get these word plates that have miss you, just for you, love you, and handmade that you can impress onto your card stock. So we can put that in a little banner if you want. So let's see what else I want to cut out. I'm going to cut out some of those hearts. They have stitching. They look really, really cute as accents on your card. So I think what I want to do, first I thought I was just going to use these two elements on my card, but then I thought, why don't I bring this one in, add this one, and then add this one on top. It kind of looks really neat. Like the image kind of broken up like that. And then I'll add some little hearts, and then I'll pick out a piece of ephemera. This is Sweeter Than Sugar ephemera pack that you can find at the shop, along with this coordinating paper. So it's got really cute little images in here. There's some great squares in here that would be great with the Easy Wonder Die number 1 add-on. We've got those squares. So I'm going to put the squares to the side. Let's take a look at our images here. It's a cute one of the girl holding a lemonade. So let's do her with these little hearts at the bottom. That looks so, so cute. I'm going to use the stamp of the month, Hello Cupcake, and I'm going to use this Hello Cupcake for my sentiment. But first I'm going to glue these together. I'm going to use another circle that I cut out just so this lays more flat. You don't have to do that, but since I have this one already cut out that I'm not using from a previous project, I'm just going to slip this right in there. And then we're going to hide that with this. So this layer here is from the add-on set. And then I'm going to add this one right in the center. We're going to line that up. And then we've got our cute little girl we're going to add to the corner. And then we're going to pop up these little hearts. Just like that. We'll pop up the hearts. We'll put her flat down. Put her off to the side just a little bit. And then we can arrange these hearts something like that. All right, so I'm going to add some foam tape to the back. To do that, I want to cut out the sentiment, make sure where I want that, so I can position those hearts in the right spot. The Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on has these banners. I'm going to use one of these for my sentiment. I'm using the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne. Okay, so I have my Hello Cupcake. Now I want to decide whether I'm going to pop that sentiment up or just glue it straight down. I think I'm going to glue it straight down, add a little bit of a shim right here with some cardstock. So I'm going to glue another banner to the back on just the corner here. That way I can trim off the rest. I do want to line that up. I want to line that up perfectly. And then I am just going to need the very end. So I'm going to take my scissors and trim that off. So right about there. So our Hello Cupcake will lay flat. And now our little hearts will go in the corner here. I'm going to add one heart flat down. We're going to pop up the other one. So I'm going to add a little glue to the corner, layer that up with the other heart. So right now you can pre-order your Easy Wonder dies and grab your add-on. Those dies, I'll have the pre-order open for around 3 weeks. I'll expect to be shipping them early August. If you get your pre-order in, we have some special pre-order pricing. So you're gonna save big when you pre-order your die. So I think that turned out really, really cute. It needs a little bit of bling bling, so let's add some enamel dots. So this is from the Colors of Spring. I think that pink is perfect. So let's see, maybe I want to add that right by our hearts. Tuck it under there. Maybe one by the sentiment over here. And then one over here by the image. What would be really cute if I added some glossy accents to her eyes. Since she's got those big, beautiful eyes, you can shine those up. And when that dries, it's gonna look really cute. All right, so here's the finished card. I hope you enjoyed that. All the links will be in the description box for you if you're interested in ordering, pre-ordering any of those Easy Wonder dies. We also have the Easy Wonder die #1. If you missed out on the other pre-orders that we did for that die, I do have that open. It will be open for 3 weeks. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!